Hey everyone, recently my car battery drained because I forgot to turn off my lights. Luckily, I had this portable jump starter with me. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly connect it so you can avoid any problems, especially blown fuses. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to support me by subscribing to my channel. Let's first familiarize ourselves with the unit, so stay tuned. Alright, let's do it. First, always connect the positive terminal first. This helps prevent short circuits. If you connect the negative first, there's a big chance that the positive lead could touch the chassis, which can cause sparks or damage. Next, press the power button on your jump starter, then start your car.
Dibayas ha. 15 minutes.
And that's it. It's simple, but it can be a huge help in an emergency situation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Stay safe on the road.